Today, a chicken melt. Alright, you got your bread, nice thick white bread. That's kind of rare, you know, give it a tappy, you know, fill up with some cheddar cheese. Oh, I'm behind. Put on your tomatoes, some green stuff, that's lettuce, another slice of cheddar. Give it some butter. Yeah, be careful not to burn the butter here. Oh, put it in the pan. Now, take a plate or something and press down evenly. That's how you get the nice, perfect toastie. Yeah. Give it about 2 minutes aside or so. Give it a flip-see. Give it another good press. Yep. We're making progress now. Oh. And then pull out before you ruin things. And everybody knows this has to be diagonal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nom 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 nom.